biggest dreams start with a small touch. Blisses start with a simple reason. Great journeys start with a small step. All great works start with us. Wafer Group, which is a leading trademark in prefabricated and lightweight steel construction sector in its region, conducts production services with cutting-edge technology in Istanbul, Turkey's open door to the world. Today, Wafer Group delivers its products and services to more than 50 countries worldwide. It has achieved an application volume of 3 million square meters with prefabricated construction site buildings, emergency accommodation units and buildings for professional use and houses. Wafer Group offers solutions to 30 out of 225 biggest construction companies across the world. It conducts the design, production and assembly of the projects that it has undertaken in compliance with world standards. It assures that all these processes are fast and no longer adventures full of ambiguities. Wafer Group launched its production services in 1990 at 2 different factories. Since then, with its solution partnerships and cooperation established worldwide, it exports more than 50% of its production volume to a large geography, from Siberia to Sudan, Venezuela and Afghanistan. In the last 5 years, Wafer Group has fulfilled all of the requirements for unconditional customer satisfaction with the services it provides. 70% of its portfolio consists of previous customers and those who arrive with their recommendations. With its after-sales customer service, which is one of the principal requirements, Wafer Group continuously renews itself by taking into consideration all kinds of demands and criticisms delivered by its customers. With its 6 incorporated brands, Wafer Group offers marketing, project, production, packaging, logistics and assembling services meeting the requirements of today. Among these brands, Vicon leads a wide range of project types, from prefabricated construction site buildings to container offices and houses, from super practical living units to housing projects, from power plant facilities to infrastructure projects and social facilities. Steel Life, which is another Wafer Group brand, produces galvanized lightweight steel buildings using the state-of-the-art technology in the world. With its 5,000 housing capacity, Steel Life produces permanent houses, prestigious buildings for professional use, modular system structures and ecological buildings. Nesta Villa produces practical, prefabricated houses and buildings for professional use in an aesthetic, economical and rapid way. It incorporates the latest prefabricated construction technology to meet comfort conditions for custom-made seasonal buildings. Prenta, also a Wafer Group brand, provides prefabricated constructions and living containers, leasing, logistics and second-hand services in addition to manufacturing modular living units. Neopan is another Wafer Group brand which produces sandwich and composite panels to be used as facade and roofing elements in buildings. Neopan introduced inventive technologies to the composite panel manufacturing industry. Profacto, which is another Wafer Group brand, eliminates the limits of speed and capacity with its inventive construction technology. It produces 250 different special construction profiles using unwelded technology. With each of these brands, Vefa Group provides its customers quality, speed, security and innovation. It offers to the construction world a sense of responsibility by its products and production technologies with sectoral consciousness in mind. These products and technologies are developed as a result of its cooperation with universities and its own design office, research and development and product and development teams. Vefa Group runs projects throughout the world, and by following the changes and developments closely, it will continue its investments and innovations in the future as it did in the past. With its large product range, innovative technology and values developed for Turkey and the rest of the world, it will continue to be the visionary and key player of the prefabricated and lightweight steel construction sector. Vefa Group. All great works start with us.